If 2023 was the year of ChatGPT, 2024 will be the year of Copilot for Microsoft. Lots of announcements for AI, data, zones, and even space itself. And did Azure come out a winner or a loser in Gartner's Magic Quadrant? Hi, I'm Matt Carolyn, and welcome to Puck Online, where we aim to bring you the hot topics for the last month in the public cloud space. Today I'm here in BC, Canada, enjoying the snow finally on Mount Seymour. The view isn't there, it was earlier. Murphy's Law, as soon as I set up the camera, it would disappear. It's been a long 6-month gap since the last video. We've been focused on the in-person events and the largest multi-cloud summit of its type in Western Canada that'll be held in April. Now that we've got all that worked out, we can focus now on this online content. But if you are interested in the big summit coming up in April, check out cloudsummit.ca. And I hope you enjoy the content. First up in Microsoft Azure news, Microsoft has announced Copilot for Azure, M365, GitHub, and more for cost savings insights. This is part of Microsoft's ongoing efforts to simplify your FinOps practice so that you can stay focused on your business goals. In partnership news, Microsoft and Oracle have announced that Oracle Database at Azure is now generally available. This service, available in the Azure US East region, allows you to use Oracle database services running on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, hardware deployed in Azure data centers. In more database news, Azure Data Explorer now supports a connector for Apache Flink in public preview. This connector allows developers to access their data in Azure Data Explorer using Apache Flink, a popular open source streaming process framework. In storage news, Azure UltraDisk storage is now available in UK West and Poland Central regions. Azure UltraDisk storage provides high performance along with sub-millisecond latency for your most demanding workloads. Also, zone redundant storage ZRS for Azure Disk is now available on Azure Premium SSD and Standard SSD in West US and Germany West Central regions. ZRS for Azure Disk provides high availability and durability by replicating your data across multiple availability zones. For our space enthusiasts, Microsoft Azure Space has shared some exciting customer stories and updates for Azure Orbital Ground Station, Azure Orbital Software Development Kits, and Microsoft Planetary Computer. It's a 6-minute read which you can find at tinyurl.com/Azure Space Stories. In recognition news, Microsoft has been named a leader in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Strategic Cloud Platform Services. Gartner applauds Microsoft's investment across all areas of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS as Azure leads in completeness of vision. In analytics news, enhancements and new features have been introduced to the Azure Stream Analytics no-code editor. These updates aim to deliver a more intuitive and user-friendly experience for users. And lastly, Azure Spring Apps Enterprise is now eligible for Azure Savings Plans for Compute. Customers can enjoy up to 47% savings when they commit to Azure Savings Plans for Azure Spring Apps Enterprise. So in wrap up, make sure you check out publiccloud.ninja for links to all our vodcasts, podcasts, and online meetups and events. And click the like and subscribe button so that you get notified each month when we release a new episode. Our next episode will be in February. Till then, stay safe and keep challenging yourself.